So, the lead female character in the movie Diamonds Are Forever is standing at the edge of an offshore oil rig. As she fires a gun, she is driven back over the edge and into the sea. Suppose the mass of the bullet is 0.010 kg, and its velocity is positive 720 meters per second. Her mass, including the gun, is 51 kilograms. So for part A, the question is, what recoil velocity does she acquire in response to a single shot from a stationary position, assuming that no external force keeps her in place? So to start, we used the idea of the law of conservation of momentum, and right there it just says that the momentum of one is equal to the opposite of the second momentum of the second object. And then if you replace momentum with the mass times velocity on both sides, we came up with the second equation. Yeah. So then all you do is we plugged in numbers, we solved the equation, and down it came to be that the velocity is equal to negative 0.14 meters per second. And we put the negative because she was going in the opposite direction from the recoil. Okay, so for part B, the question is, under the assumption, what would her recoil velocity be if instead she shoots at a blank cartridge that ejects a mass of 5.0 times 10 to the negative 4th kg at a velocity of positive 720 meters per second? In this case, we pretty much do the same thing as we did before, but instead we plug in the mass, the new mass instead, so that was the 5.0 times 10 to the negative 4, which is shown in decimal form. And as we solved the equation, we ended up getting negative 0.007 meters per second, which is also considered to be 7.0 times 10 to the negative 3rd meters per second. Boom.